Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're gonna talk about 1inch. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so always do your own research. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of 1inch. You can access it by going to 1inch.io. As per the website, it is a one-stop access to decentralized finance. So the 1inch network is introducing a P2P feature which facilitates secure crypto swaps between individual users, and it is available on all the networks out there which are supported by 1inch. All you need is a simple URL for the counterparty to make and fill the order, and that's it. You would have a deal. You can optimize your trades across hundreds of DEXes on multiple networks. So we have Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Optimism, Neosys, Avalanche, Arbitrum. 1inch instantly analyzes thousands of codes and fees across multiple DEXes to provide users with the best rate. They also have a swap feature over here, so when you click over here, you can swap one cryptocurrency into another. Their DeFi wallet will allow you to buy crypto with your bank card using their partner fiat gateway providers. So you can store your crypto, transfer your crypto, swap it and stake it. Some of the products of 1inch are over here. So we have aggregation protocol, limit order protocol, liquidity protocol, 1inch earn, and a lot of other exciting stuff as well. So one of the main advantage of 1inch is the fact that it is completely decentralized, as data exchange is implemented by simply sharing URLs bypassing 1inch backend. So it does not really have a backend. It's a backend-less platform, which is pretty amazing. They also offer pre-sale stage coins, so a P2P order can usually come in handy if the situations when liquidity for a certain token is not sufficient for a large OTC order deal, or due to low liquidity for that reasons. So swaps on market when occurred would incur significant slippage cost as well. So the same applies to tokens that are not yet traded on the market, such as coins in the pre-sale stage. There is also quite flexibility, meaning the swaps could be executed at any rate the parties would agree upon, at the current rate or the market rate which is supported by their price aggregator. There is also an opportunity to select a specific percentage above and below the current market rate, and once a PP order has been created, the users can send it as a simple URL to the counterparty out there, and the URL would contain a P2P order signed by the sender. The counterparty would just fill in the order and pay the gas fees. So as already mentioned, the P2P functionality is built on the top of the 1inch limit order protocol, and it is available on all the networks out there. So Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimistic Ethereum, Arbitrum and Neosys Chain. The main advantage of a P2P order is that P2P swaps are totally trustless, as their execution is guaranteed by a smart contract. When I click launch the app over here, I would come to this page where you're going to see that I can connect my wallet by clicking over here. So over here we have different wallet and networks we can choose from. So once you get that integrated, the next step would be to either swap, do a limit order or P2P trading. So to swap a cryptocurrency, you're going to select a cryptocurrency over here. We do have multiple options, as you can see, so select the one of your choice. So let's say we want to go for Ethereum, and then you can select over here a different cryptocurrency with which you want to swap it against. So let's say we want to stick to DAI, so we would do that, and over here you're going to see the price estimate, and when you click connect wallet and eventually follow the process, it will be transacted accordingly. So this is their limit feature. So as per the feature, you can access most liquidity, lowest slippage and best exchange rate across Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Neosys Chain, Optimistic Ethereum and Arbitrum. So now we have the limit feature over here. So over here you're going to enter the currency that you want to put in. So let's say we want to put in USDT, and then you're going to see the price over here, and by putting that in, you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So let's say we want to stick to the DAI token. That looks good for us. So over here you can also select the expiration date, and eventually all the cost and transactions and exchange rate would be mentioned over here. browse through it, take a look, and process the transaction. When you click the P2P tab over here, you can over here select the currency that you would like to pay in. So let's say we want to stick to USDT and the currency that you are buying. So let's say we want to buy Chainlink, and over here you're gonna see the cost of 1 USDT per Chainlink. So it is mentioned over here. Then we have the time duration over here. So after this, P2P transaction will become invalid. So you can select that as well. And then you have to input your taker address over here. So when that is done, you're going to see a summary of the transaction. And if everything looks good, just process it normally. When you click over here, you can also swap between different chains. So whether you want to access Polygon chain, you can do that by simply clicking over here. So next we're gonna go to a P2P transaction, and let's say we want to pay Ethereum. So I'm just gonna go over here, and then we want to buy USDT. So we would click over here, and then you're gonna see the exchange rate of ETH per USDT. You're gonna see the time within which it would expire and all of that stuff. So essentially how P2P exchange works is that the users would find a counterparty for the exchange, and the counterparty would provide them with a crypto address, which the user would enter in the P2P tab of the 1inch app. So it would be over here. So the swap can be executed at any rate that is agreed upon or at the current market rate, which is provided by their price aggregator. And it is possible to select a specific percentage above or below the current market value if you want. And after you create a P2P order, the user can send it to the counterparty in the form of a simple URL by email or via any messengers. And the URL will contain the P2P order signed by the sender, and eventually the counterparty finds the order and pays the commission for the gas. So that's essentially how the P2P order works. They also have a bridge tab over here, so you can go and access Polygon bridge, Optimism bridge, Arbitrum, or any bridges that you like. And this is the Twitter page of 1inch Network. It has a following of 1 million people, which is pretty impressive. And over here they will make regular updates about new stuff that they are doing with the project, so definitely worth checking out. So that's it, and overall 1inch Network looks quite promising with its amazing swap features and also the fact that it has bridges between different networks and blockchains. So that's really amazing. It looks quite promising. We're gonna post all the link in the description box below, so definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.